Welcome to Casa Disfrute. Before we visit this very charming and unique house located in Ventana de Oza, let's give a peek at the wonderful views that you have from it. On the left side you have the jungle where you can see toucans and all kind of birds, some howler monkeys, Capuchin monkeys. Here are the rolling hills of Ojochal Valley. Far behind would be Panama. Then the Teraba River that exits into the ocean. Far behind would be Drake Bay. And the peninsula you see far behind is the Oza Peninsula where the Corcovado Reserve is. A little bit further down you would have Isla Caño where you can dive and snorkel. Very nice fishes there. This L-shaped house has 3 bedrooms and each of them have direct access to the pool and the terraces, which could allow you to make with this house a guest house or bed and breakfast. The pool was carefully designed with very small blue ceramic tiles, full width stairway. This modern Spanish Hacienda offers all kinds of features like its own lamps and terracotta pots that were all made globally. And on the south side of the house is a covered terrace with a table that could sit easily 12 people for lunch or dinner. Obviously, nice view on the ocean. This little area is very comfortable in the afternoon with trees that get shade and of course wonderful view of the ocean as well. This house opens on 2 sides to allow people in the living room and dining room to see the ocean and jungle. Very nice tiling here, marble-like, very white tiles. Very high ceilings with high quality wood, 15 feet high ceilings actually. And dining room, driftwood chandelier that was made from driftwood from Playa Balena. And of course the view from inside the house. This Mexican tile island was made by an artisan. 3,100 tiles imported from Mexico and all tailor-made that shape. Very nice counters, concrete counters, and a 6-gas burner gourmet stove. Deep and wide sink. Next to the sala and kitchen is the powder room. First bedroom is a queen-size bedroom, Roche Beaubois-like furniture, and as we said before, every room has its own access to the pool and terrace. Make easily a bed and breakfast in this house. First full bathroom, 2 sinks, nice dining, the twin beds bedroom. And of course the master bedroom, very wide 18 by 18 with a king-size bed and a fantastic view when you wake up of ocean. Not bad, eh? And of course master bathroom with large counter, 2 sinks, bidet, and of course a wide double-headed shower, nice tiling. This unique covered little place is a meditation yoga platform where you can have also lemonade and tea by the afternoon. And at night this Spanish Hacienda becomes very romantic with its lighting, even shoot telenovelas here. This could be all yours.